Hi, my name is Kaylin. Today we're looking at the Crossland 20-can outdoor cooler. One thing I really like about this is the insert is removable and very easy to clean. Now it's got a lot more features, so let's take a closer look. Your price includes a one-color imprint on the front pocket. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more from 4imprint, check out our recent uploads, related videos, and our website at 4imprint.com.